This is my homemade vanilla, and I'm going to show you step by step how to make this. The way I make homemade vanilla extract is I use vodka and I use vanilla beans. It's 8 ounces. I'm going to pour this into the bottle. This is the vodka. I have used the cheapest vodka on the planet. I have used better vodkas, so you can keep the cost down with this. I did do a price comparison, and it is not going to run you any cheaper to do this, but it does taste great and it's kind of fun to make. I bought these bottles on Amazon and I use them over and over again. And I also bought my vanilla on Amazon. I'm not particular about the brand names necessarily. I do get the Madagascar beans. You can take, I've done this anywhere with 2 beans to 8 beans. And today I'm going to use 6. And I found that makes the best vodka for me because I have them made ahead, and so it has a chance to sit for quite a while. What you're going to do is you're going to split these beans in half so that the insides are available to the vodka, because you're going to shake this as we go along. And you just slice that and pull it open, and it's okay if it's okay if it falls apart. So now that we have these split, I'm going to take these, we're going to put these in this bottle. And so I put these in here, close the top, I give it a shake, and that's it. I make these ahead, and so this one will probably sit for about a year. I have let them sit as little as 3 months. I make them as Christmas gifts sometimes, and I let about 3 months ahead. The longer you let them sit, the better they get. But the vanilla is amazing, and you can use it in just about anything. And every time I've given it to people for gifts, they just love it. I get rave reviews about this, so it's fun. Let me know in the comments below what you do with your vanilla.